Hello and welcome to this video from YourSix. In this video, we're going to discuss three basic questions you need to ask when vetting cloud physical security options. The first one is the solution an open platform? This should 100% be the first step in vetting your options. The wrong decision can have a heavy impact on your business. So, what is an open platform? An open platform means you can connect a third-party device to the system. In turn, a closed platform requires proprietary devices. This is a vitally important distinction because it affects your ability to protect your investment. If you go with a closed system, then those devices only work on that system. If, for some reason in the future, you want to work with another cloud security provider, then you will need to rip and replace all of those devices. An open system, however, allows you freedom. You make an investment in hardware, then you should have the ability to control what system those devices connect to. Additionally, open systems can support already deployed devices. For example, you may have access devices already deployed as part of your current solution. With YourSix, you can turn this older system into a modern cloud platform without purchasing any new hardware. Lastly is the importance of the device support portfolio, as in what devices can the system support. Typically working with a vendor that has a closed platform that requires proprietary devices will limit your device options. Most of these vendors, for example, have limited camera options, typically less than 20. This can also be limited to no PTZ, no thermal, or no multi-sensor devices. In many cases, these providers also have limitations in resolution, such as only offering high-resolution devices, which are costly and may not be needed in all deployment areas. Do you really need a $1,000 4K camera in a utility closet? YourSix works with Access Communications devices, and via their portfolio, we support hundreds of models and different device types to meet whatever need you have. So when vetting cloud physical security providers, simply ask, is your platform open or closed? The second question is, does the solution require an on-site appliance? An on-site appliance is what some cloud vendors use to connect devices to the cloud. It may also be referred to as a server or a bridge. So, as you can see in this diagram, the edge devices connect to an appliance, and then the appliance makes the cloud connection. There are quite a few pitfalls with this model. We're going to explore 4 of them. First, appliances are a single point of failure. As you can see, if that appliance right there in that diagram fails, then all of those devices are offline. Second, appliances are an additional target point for cybersecurity attacks. Third, appliances simply do not scale. As you grow and add more sites, or just simply want to add another device or two, then you must add more appliances. Lastly, appliances are expensive. Thousands of dollars. They also require ongoing maintenance costs. It is also important to note for remote or mobile deployments, such as security trailers or device deployed in remote areas, that adding appliances makes it much more difficult and costly. It also adds another device that requires power. So what is the solution? A direct connection to the devices. As you can see in this diagram to the right, there is no appliance and no server on site. The only thing a device needs is a PoE connection. The last question we need to discuss is, does the solution provide advanced analytics without on-site appliances? So what does that mean? As we discussed in question 2, it is important to go with a solution that is direct to the cloud, no appliance required. The issue is some vendors do provide this, but the moment you want advanced analytics, such as vehicle or person detection, then appliance is required. As already discussed, appliances are expensive, they have ongoing costs, are a single point of failure, a target for security attacks, and they do not scale. So what's the solution? Analytics which run on the edge device, on the camera itself, for example. Besides removing the need for appliances on site, this can also allow the system to reduce bandwidth requirements. So now, let's review. Simply ask, can the cloud physical security vendor I'm looking at answer these questions? Is the solution an open platform? Does the solution require an on-site appliance? And does the solution provide advanced analytics without an on-site appliance? YourSix can answer these three questions properly. Simply do your due diligence and ask the questions.